Meet Spencer, a senior environmental studies major with a minor in landscape architecture. Spencer is involved in all aspects of student life at ESF, enjoying the close-knit community that allows him to be involved in a variety of activities while making sure other students feel the same. Spencer, you're up.
Thanks, Alex, and hello, everyone. When I was looking for a place to go to college, I tried to find somewhere where people got involved and their voice matters, and I found that at ESF. ESF is a small campus with a shared sense of value and camaraderie. It's more like a neighborhood than it is really like a university. ESF is a small campus, so you get to know almost everyone. The president, the provost, the dean know us all by name, and our student input is not only welcome, but encouraged. This is my second year in our student government, which we call MOSA, the Mighty Oak Student Assembly. I currently serve as the Chief Academic Officer and manage department senators, which are the people elected to represent each academic department. We advocate for the unique needs of our fellow students and organize mixers, which bring faculty and students together. Beyond that, I worked as a student government leader to implement life-saving measures across campus, and I even had the opportunity to write a grant to increase voter registration and engagement. Outside of student government, I keep myself busy by getting involved all over campus. I'm a resident assistant in our dorm, Centennial Hall, where I get to help fellow students. I've also worked in both Trailhead Cafe and Moon Cafe, and I'm the president of ESO, the Environmental Studies Student Organization. We host political discussions, sustainable fashion events, and even a trip to DC. ESF has been an incredible stepping stone for everything after college. In my experience here, I've been able to work for the city of Syracuse and as a legislative aide for a local state senator. As I approach graduation, I feel comfortable and confident thanks to ESF. Back to you, Alex.
Spencer, we appreciate your dedication to making an impact at ESF so other students feel included, seen, and heard. We're sure your involvement has prepared you well for future opportunities. Thanks again, Spencer.